Okay, and we're back. All right, before I share the other screen, there we go, move you up, and let's bring you back to here. All right, so we've got, that's the front page we looked at. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to bowergraphics.biz. I created a instance of WordPress under one of our subdomains. There's bowergraphic.biz. There you go. And we're going to take that out and say WP admin. We're going to say page support, log in. Perfect. So now we are in WordPress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a builder. Let's go to activate. Let's go to great. These are plugins that need updated. Let's go to update available. There you go. Update. I think I want to update all of them. Yep. Apply. So I'm updating all of those. So all the plugins are updated. Then I'm going to add new. I'm going to I'm going to upload one, choose file, downloads, Divi, install. So this is going to install the builder and the tools that we need. And you can see up here that is sending the request out. And then when that comes, watch when it turns, there it goes, they're coming back. So go to plugin installer, great. Let's go to appearance. Let's go to, I want to keep one of these around. I'll keep the most recent one around. But this I will delete. Just, it's taking up room. We don't need these in here. Delete. Okay. I want to have one of these as a backup, just in case. So I'm going to add new. Oh, wait, themes. Did I do that wrong? How did I do that wrong? Did I screw that up? I added it to the wrong place. That's hilarious. Son of a bee. Let's hope this doesn't, I just completely screwed that up. But again, this is a test. I'm not going to, this would not be, let's go to activate. This would not be the painter site. This is going to be, there we go. We're going to say, great. So now what we're going to do is go pages. How far are we into this? 2 minutes and 23 seconds. So we're going to say add new. Oops. I've got to go into themes, updates. Is that correct? Will it give me a check mark? Yes, it does. All right, perfect. So now we're going to go to pages. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to take, that's front. We're going to shut this. This is an A tile or hero image right here. Sorry, I'm looking at the other screen. A tile and then 3 jobs. These all link to individual pages. This goes to services, testimonials, examples. So that's 3 pages. This could all be a single page site, for gosh sakes, which I might recommend. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this and go to pages, and we're going to say add new. And we're going to say use the Divi Builder. This is going to be hilarious. Yep, I'm going to say start building. Okay, start building. All right, let's go use a pre-made layout, and we're going to see. This is great because I know they have a painting. Painting. They do. How great is that? So they've got these painting pages. I do not know. Screen printing, screen printing, screen printing, screen printing. These should be, there we go. I got it. There we go. Let's go to painting. That's screen printing home. Screen printing actually looks better than painting at this moment. Let's see, that's about page. Here, let's do home page. There we go. We got the 3. Use this layout. All right. So now what we're going to do, this is cool because it's going to build the page using those assets. Again, this is what builders are for. And usually we would build custom themes. We actually have a series of custom things that we have saved that we will dump in for particular sites, exclusively for business. The reason why is because they're SEO compliant. We know that the first thing that users are going to see are these key points for SEO, SEM. These builders are going to be just fine because it's going to be way better than the default front theme. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. We're 5 minutes in, maybe 4.5 minutes in, and we've got already the page. So here's what we're going to do. They've got Pepio painting as a little logo up here. I'm going to dump that logo in. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. We're going to say, what's really cool is I can go here and then I can say dashboard. Right? Oh, not thinking. You can tell up there when it's thinking. Let's go to settings. Let's go to Divi theme options. Ooh, I've got to update the PHP. Let's go to upload. We're going to take the select files. We're going to go to desktop, and then we're going to take, see how it says download? We're going to say, this is where the SEO starts to work. Pep eot. Paint video painting logo transparent. Let's just do home. Perfect. Usually I want to do underscores on all those, but for now I'm going to dump these in just because you don't want spaces. It makes things weird. Gives you percentage signs and backslashes that you don't want and 20% and things. So let's go to set as a logo. So that's going to be in there and save that. Save changes. Perfect. Now when we go back here and we go preview, it'll be real tiny. Don't expect it to be perfect out of the gate. There you go. But we'll fix that momentarily. So this is going to now we're going to jump into their other page, which is, let's get this out of the way. There we go. This page is actually called home too, which is not optimal. So this is called commercial interior painting. It's a Tualatin library. Oh, great job. That was beautiful. I've actually seen that. So they've got residential, commercial. So they do both residential and commercial. Exterior, do they do interior? Nope, exterior and interior. Perfect. All right, so let's do services. We're going to try to get on the home page right now. And again, this is Battlefield. Normally we would have all this set up. We would say professional painting services or call. I don't know if they have that on their site. Yes, they do. And it's his actual phone. So we're going to go into here and we're going to say or call text or call copy. And we're going to go into here into text because we're not going to mess around with this. And I like to do the UK version of phone numbers, which is period. Are you kidding me? Let's see what that looks like. So before was bold and then that. That's going to be the same. I just think it looks cleaner to have the dots, and it does to have the, there we go, get an online estimate. So professional painting services. So what we need to do is come up with a tag. Let's see. I think we're just going to say residential and commercial painting services. So it's going to say professional. Oh, it's all in one. Text. Professional. Professional. Here, I'm just going to do this visual. This is so stupid. There we go. Professional. Fudge. Okay, I'll just do this right. Residential and commercial painting services. This should also be H1. See what that looks like. And it'll be much bigger. There we go. That is terrible. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to change the size of H1 to be much smaller. Whoa! We're going to do that at 36 pixels. Let's try that. Let's see what that looks like. That's too small. So now we're going to do professional, residential, and commercial painting services. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this and go up to text. And we're going to go to heading text. We're going to H1. We're going to say 48. That's going to be too big. But again, I've got to check this out. The really cool thing about this is that's going to be too big because it's going to drop commercial. No, it doesn't. That's great. That's pretty good. Yeah. Okay. That's good. So now it's like, well, we want to have this look nicer. Well, we will. So shut up. Okay, here we go. Pepio, this has to be larger, which we'll hit later. This on their current site is just a house, which is fine. That house we can make it look much better by going home. Here we go. Here we go. This is going to say header, background. This is the painting. Yes. Cover, center, repeat, no, label. So is this moderately transparent? Let's see. Oh, it's actually painted pink. Weird. That's not optimal. Okay, so this is 1920 by 812. So now this is my secret sauce, keynote. What is it called? My gimmick. Why is my Mac just like, it is ridiculously slow at the moment, and it shouldn't be, because I'm only running 47 operations. Actually, I'm not running that many operations at all. Come on. Oh, for fudge sakes. All right, let's go. It was 1920 by 812. All right, so we're going to go here. We're going to set green screen. We're going to create an asset, which is shape. And we're going to make that 1920 by 870. I'm just going to make it even like that. Okay, so that's enormous. That is freaking huge. So now I'm going to take this image. This image is going to be tiny by comparison. That's not so bad. It is not so bad. And it's not the right size. So we're going to blow it up a little bit higher. And then we're going to take this and crop it down a smidge. We're going to crop more of the down area because it's more exciting up top to let them know that they're, hey, we're outside. There's that. There's one image. So we're going to take this, copy, open it into preview. Say new. There it is. And then we're going to save this as residential exterior. See how I exterior? I'm going to call it Pepiot. Pepiot fudge painting. So you can see this is 5.9 megabytes. That is enormous. So that is the size we're saving that at. But then we're going to do adjust size. We're going to make this 1920. Okay. I did that on purpose. I upscale these things. And now we go to export as a JPEG at a much lower size. JPEG. There we go. Let's do that. There we go. So now we go right back into the dock. We're going to say upload files. We're going to say select. There it is, 306K. Now it's going to be weird because I think this is, it should have this mask on top. It does. Yeah, that's why I figured it's going to be weird. Because first off, it looks really rough. And second off, yeah, it's really low res image. So what we're going to need to do is make this, oh, fudge. What are we going to do here? You know what? We're going to fake this. So we're going to move this over, crop here. This is going to be cool. So watch this nonsense. We're going to crop this over to where the focus on this loses interest around here, that drain pipe. Actually, it loses interest around there to me. So we can crop this over. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create another shape that's going to be black. Or what is their color? Their logo is blue. So let's make it blue. What is their logo? There's their logo. Let's go whoop. And then we're going to say style. Okay, down here. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Here. Boop. Blue. Perfect. That's the color of their logo. Let's get rid of you. Let's make you larger. Then what we're going to do is going to go copy V. We're going to make a copy of that, and we're going to make a transition over into this color. So color fill is going to be advanced gradient fill. We're going to make it where it's dark there. All right, perfect. And then the first color will be, let me move this up here so I can see it. It's going to be this color but completely transparent. And the second one is going to be that color, but solid. Perfect. So now what you see, we've got a graded look to this. So let's go down a smidge. That should be that. Let's see if this works. So we're going to copy that. We're going to open up preview again, new. Always jumps into that window. We're going to crop this down because there's a little bit of a seam around the side. So we're just going to crop it down. And this is not going to be perfect because this is not a paying client. This is just a example. Save. This is, ooh, that's huge. That's right, because it's a PNG. Save. This is going to be PNG. This is going to be PEP painting residential A tile. We're going to call this A tile. That's kind of what I call them, A tile and hero images. So then we go image size. And the reason I'm doing this is because we have a full scale version, 1920. Great. And then we're going to say export as JPEG. Oh, that's a real small one. Let's do best. That's pretty huge. Let's do that one. So now that's going to be an A tile. This probably won't look much better in terms of resolution, but it probably will fit the space better. Background, poink, delete, background image, upload, select, exterior, perfect. Upload image, perfect, great. Preview. So now what we've got is the blue background. There we go. That's not optimal, but we'll change that font to white and move this guy over a smidge. It's not an exact science because it's based on the size of your monitor, but I want to make sure we capture as much of that as we can. I'm taking way too much time on this image itself. How do I do this? I'm going to do, so he's in the middle. Perfect. Let's try that again. One more time. Copy. New. I'm not even going to save it. I'm going to just save this as a junk file. So just hold on. Okay. Image size is 1920. We're going to say export the JPEG. Ooh, that's bigger now. We're going to say make this a 300. Why is that so huge? Okay. I don't know if you guys noticed it went from 270 to like 700 overnight. So we're going to save this as untitled. I know I just told everybody not to do that, but I'll tell you why I'm doing that. Because I'm just going to copy untitled over here, and I'm going to take the, and I told you I was going to use that hero image, didn't I? Copy untitled. We're going to call this hero. If we were working for a larger client, I would absolutely do versioning of all this. So we're going to do text here. This is what? That's paragraph. We're going to change that color to white. We're going to change the image. Is that right? Did I just screw that up? No, I got that right. Close. Brain fart. Background. Click. Dunk. Background image. Upload files. Select. We've got the hero. Thank you. See, that's why we have different names for it, because we have to name files different. All right, perfect. Preview. Let's see what that looks like. This is going to be better because this will be white text down here. Great, that's good enough. So we've got the main image done. Professional, residential, commercial painting services. Let's go to, I'm going to pop that out because what I'm going to do is I'm going to get their original site, wherever the hell that it was. Where did I put that? Pepio painting, do I have it on here? There it is. Perfect. Just got buried. So now we've got services. We put ourselves into customer shoes. So we don't have that on this one. This just has the text. But do we have something that has 3 underneath? That does not. That has testimonials though, which is awesome. Okay, so here we go. We're going to take interior, exterior, and samples. I'm going to change that to services, testimonials, examples. Here's what we're going to do. We got to go to theme, edit page, great. I think that's correct. I think that's the last one. It is. Great. We're going to go here and say, these are toggles. Get rid of all the toggles. Toggle, 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 toggle. Then we go to toggle, 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 toggle. Oops, I got rid of the image too. And then we're going to put text in here. TEXT. And we're going to call this copy. It looks like this is pulling straight from the pages. So let's do that. Let's do that. I think that's better. That's a better way to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this and we're going to say, so this is services. I'm going to show you how this works. I just created a new services row. And we're going to say, this is going to be, yes. We'll call this services. Just had to get it in my head. Services. Great. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take divider, that's up there, and then we're going to say, instead of image, we're going to say blog. Great. And we're going to say post, and we're going to say one post, and we're going to say all categories, and we're going to say use post excerpts. How many is this? Actually, we'll get it to be even. So we're going to do a character count on this real quick. Character counter. Okay, good, perfect. This is 113, so we'll make it 100 and we'll make it 115. 115, perfect. We're not going to show author, we're not going to show date, we're not going to show categories, show excerpts. No. Okay. So yes, here we go. So what I did is here's what this is going to look like. It's going to look terrible for a minute. We're at 22 minutes. So you're like, what did you do? It says, hello world. This is not good, but we have the look, we have the header up there, and we have, you can see how it's slightly different. But what I'm going to do now, what is really cool about WordPress, and one of the things I really like about WordPress, so when we go into services here, this is an actual page called services. I'm going to go in and create this thing called, where am I? I got ahead of myself. I'm going to go here. I'm going to say publish. This is going to be home. Actually, we have to rename this because it's called auto draft at the moment. Home. And again, we'll change that. All right, update. Done. Now we're going to go into posts. This is where I really like the power of WordPress. So we're going to say add new. This is a very boring page. It's just text. So I really don't need to do anything to it. I can use the Divi Builder. We're going to use a painting page just so it follows the same theme. Choose pre-made layout. Choose from a pre-made layout. Great. Painting. That's what we're looking for again. Painting. We just have to do one of these because this is what we're going to do. We're going to use contact. Oh, no, we'll use about us because that is a small header. Ooh, I do like this one though. It's blue. Hang on a sec. This is services page. We're going to use the services page, I think. Yep, use this layout. I'll show you why. Because this is going to be a blog, but it's using, we're using posts instead of pages. I'll show you why, because the way we display these. So services, testimonials, examples. Services, testimonials, examples. So this is going to be called services. This is going to be called, oh, that'll change automatically, but services, we're also, oh my goodness. But then it's the garage door print. The garage door print is this one, right? Let's see. Oh, that's so bad. That's so bad. These are square, man. Services square. I don't like that it's services and it's square. So we're going to change the tag to services. I'm going to add it. We're going to change the featured image to services that I just changed the name of, services square. Boink. Set features image. Okay, so now we say it's called services. Great. Oh, I'm a dope. Add new category. Services. Add new category. We're also going to add the name. Oh my God, testimonials. And we're going to also add the category samples. Add new category. All right, done. So this is going to be just under services. So we say we got the header image, publish. So watch this nonsense. On the home page, let's go to, we're going to change a few things here. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to, that's fine, Pepio painting. What is Pepio paintings? Do they have view page source? Do they have a tagline? Do they have meta tags in here? Let's see. They do not. Find. These are painting examples. Painting. Pepio painting. Pepio painting does exceptional work, large and small. These are the services. Interior painting, interior painting. Yeah, I don't see any big, nope, nothing. Great, perfect. All right, let's go to Pepio painting, does exceptional work, large and small. Let's go to writing. Let's go to reading. Reading, the home page is going to be a static page and it's going to be home. Post page is going to be nothing for right now. Save changes. Great. Then we're going to change it is also permalinks. Permalinks, you should use the name of the page, which is right here. Save. Let's do that again. All right, so let's go to visit site. There it is. But you'll now see that services has the text straight from the blog. It's pulling that text straight from the blog, and it pulls the images straight from the blog too. That's where this is cool, because now we're just going to start building pages and it will start populating things automatically. So we'll go to read more and we put ourselves into customer shoes. This is going to be the tag for that page. So go here, click. This will open up the services page. I'm going to say edit post. We're also going to say no sidebar. We're going to say dot navigation on. We're going to say show post title. Do I want to have that? Hide. Show. We're going to show it. Let's see what that looks like first. And then we're going to go down here to excerpts. And we're going to put that in there. So let's take a look at this page because it's not going to be detailed at all. It's going to be very, very quick to copy and paste. So we've got services. I do not like that title at all. So let's go to post title, hide. Services, great. Preview changes. This all should be gone. Yeah, yes. So then we're going to change this to full width. No sidebar, full width. Thank you. Try that again. Perfect. So this will be get an online estimate. Okay, we do our services. That's pretty neat. All right. Perfect. This is fine. This is called services. We put ourselves into customer shoes. I'm going to get rid of this call and estimate because it's not necessary. Delete. What does that look like? That doesn't look optimal. Let's delete. Actually, let's keep that in there. And we're going to get rid of this. What? I have no idea what just happened there. Let's go to, we're going to change the body text to, we put ourselves in this, copy, preview. Just want to see what this looks like. I mean, it's not going to look good, but yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a box around this and make that type slightly larger. We're going to say design text, pop-ins regular, black, perfect. Is that right? Sure, that seems weird. Is it heading text? No, it's regular. It seems weird that it's too small because that's not 24. That's like 12 or something. Or this is 15. We put ourselves into customer shoes. Text. We're going to make this. Oh, I know why, because it doesn't have anything attached to it. Let's go to. We're going to change this to heading 6. I'll show you what we're going to do here. Heading 6 is going to be bold and too close together. So we go into design, heading text, heading 6. We're going to change this to 14. Let's make that 15, 16. Let's make the spacing. Let's give it a little bit. That might be this might be too much, but I'm going to see what that looks like. No, it's not that bad. Design, text, oops, text, heading 6, design, heading text, H6, default, let me make that semi-bold, and we're going to say left, and we're going to say 17, 18, and we're going to say just a little bit of space. Let's see what that looks like. That looks terrible. Text, design, spacing. Oh my gosh, I hit it. I got in the middle of it twice. There you go. Heading text, heading up, 5. That's going to be way too big. That's going to be adding the space between these two. Well, that did not work either. Am I not doing this correct? Why is this not working? H6, design, heading text, H6. Semi-bold, left, heading text size, letter spacing. I didn't. It reverted back. You guys saw it. I have it on video. Oh my God, this is terrible. Here's what we're going to do. We're just going to do this. We're going to change this to paragraph, and we're going to change text, and we're going to say semi-bold. I think there's a setting somewhere else that I'm missing. No, that's right. We put ourselves in a service, the kind of service that we would want for ourselves. That's going to be slightly bigger. And let's go edit, text, design, text. This is going to be bold. This is going to be 26. Okay, 26, line height, 2. That's going to be too big in itself. Why does this keep jumping back? Let's see. I'm not doing this correct. I'm messing something up here. Copy. Painting services. This is paragraph. We're going to say paragraph, design, text, 17, 18. Dark. Okay. Let's see if it jumps that size up a little bit more. Edit, settings, H1, design, heading text, H1, pop-ins. This is going to be 48 again, I think is what there was on the home page preview. Well, this is very confusing to me. I'm not going to even fight this anymore. It's not even worth it. That's crazy. This is text. What we do, okay. Blurb. Okay. Blurb, and what does the button do? Okay. You got to be kidding me. Okay. Copy. Copy. Done. I'm spending too much time on this right now, so preview. What we do, great. Edit. Again, I'm just recreating the wheel here. Let's go to blurb. Text. Extensive evaluation. Great. Check. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Great. Well, that changed, didn't it? Why did that change? Funny. That is a very odd thing to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say add image. Add image. Great. Add image. We're going to add the this one. This is the Home Builders Association. We're going to call this Trade Contractor Pepio Painting Award. I'm going to upload a file. Pepio Painting Award. Perfect. Upload. Save. Preview. So it will match the same thing on the side here. Okay. That's what we're going to do. We're going to get rid of our services here. I don't know why it's doing that, but divider, get rid of text, preview. We're going to say visual. See what that looks like. That's a weird looking hero. Let's go to background. Let's change this. That's background gradient. That's going to go from white to, oh, fudge, to white. And then this white's going to be, let's see what that looks like. I should go to transparent. I think I did that wrong. I did. Hero, background, linear. Should be placed, yes. See what that looks like. Yep, that's perfect. Now I just have to adjust it so it's the right angle. Yep, gradient direction. Give me this. Oh no, will you stop it? Background. I need it to where that is. Okay, start position. Let's go. Correct. That's wrong way. That way. That is correct. So start position is there, and position is great. And this is going to be transparent. Great. Let's see what that looks like. Preview. Because the text will be black. And then we're going to get rid of this little guy here. I did it backwards. So we got. Please help me. So that's start position is 120 degrees. This is black. 120. 270 is what I want. That's going to be good enough for giggles. All right, done. Done. Preview. So this should be inverted, and then I'm going to get rid of this. That's great. That's exactly what I wanted. And then I'm going to get rid of this background image, background. That's fine. The overlay image is here. Row. Background. This goes away. Goodbye. Preview. So this, there we go. And now what we're going to do is we're going to say, we're going to minimize that top part by saying, let's go design, background, design, sizing. We're going to say no borders, spacing. Let's see what that looks like. That's should give us a little bit more room up here. Edit, text, design, spacing, 60. Frustrating. Column 1. Actually, I don't need column 1 and column 2 on this. This can be full. Okay. And then this can get, that's not optimal. And then I'm going to make that, I'm going to force that to a certain size because it's getting out of control. Design, spacing, sizing. Let's go to minimum height. I think that can be 500. That's still too big, I think. 500 is pretty huge. Yeah. Text, design, sizing, design, sizing, 200, 275, 300. That should minimize that section severely. That is driving me bonkers. Okay. And I can probably change the grade on that a bit, which I will because I'm losing my marbles. Anyhow, might as well go change the start position to 0. That is so fascinating to me because now it's putting those things in place. I wonder, design, spacing. There's padding here. That is really weird. Text. I can get rid of this. Come on. And I can probably get rid of the spacer that I have at the top of that too. Yep. And the spacer at the top. Let's go to design, spacing. You stink, design, spacing. Get rid of that 60. Preview. All right, here we go. We are in This freaking jerk. That is funny. So that's what it is. There's a problem with the, there's a margin or something that's overlapping. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this design spacing 30. We'll see if that gives us the margin we want back. Nope, it doesn't. Design spacing 40. Does this? Nope. That's frustrating. Spacing. Goodbye. Text. Oh my God, it's frustrating. Preview. I'm at a loss at that point. Okay. Forget it. It's done. We're saving that for now. Edit. We're going to say update. Now, because we're coming up on the hour, I've got to get out of here in 20 minutes. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to, we've gone to services. We're going to go home. There's the home page. You'll see that services is there, and you'll see that the text is there straight from the post. So we're going to do 2 quick posts here. Well, I don't know why there's a, let's go edit page. There seems to be a space in there as well. That might have to do with the size of the image text. Or maybe I had a carriage return somehow. That's nuts. Oh my God, it's so frustrating. Text. Outdoor services. Is that really? Duplicate. Let's see what that looks like. That's right. You okay there, buddy? Who's barking? Services testimonials. So let's go to edit. Quit you. Leave. I think I just screwed myself. Let's go. Okay. As if I did. Preview. If there's nothing here, then I did screw myself. Okay, I didn't. All right, so now we got to go to the post page. So let's go to dashboard. Let's go to posts. There's services. We're going to say, oh, I didn't install the plugin. Add new. Duplicate post. It's now owned by Yoast, so it's called something else. There it goes. Install. We're going to activate. We're going to go back to posts. We're going to say clone, and we're going to say clone. Then we're going to say edit, and this is going to be testimonials. Testimonials. This is going to be testimonials. Get rid of that. This is going to be remove featured image. Testimonials is the people in the house. We're going to call this Pepio painting testimonials. That'll be here, set featured image. Come on. There it is. Set. Publish. Oh, sorry. I got to copy this text. And we're going to put this into the copy down here. Perfect. So now when we go back to the home page, you'll see that there it is. Did I not save that page? Posts. Oh, I did. Hang on a sec. I'm sorry. I'm being stupid. We have to change these. So edit page. Hello? Oh my God. How'd it go? How'd it go? Okay. Yeah, these are all improperly sized too. Hello. So these are the wrong size. So let's go to Biz. Oh, fudge. Okay. Yeah, there's this weirdness going on with spacing, which I am not sure what is happening with that. But yeah, it's giving me some extra space there, and it should not be doing that. All right, front. It's at the top. Let's see what that looks like. What in the name of Jehoshaphat is happening? And yeah, very weird. So I am, as I said, running up against the hour, so I'm going to see if that middle one shows up. If it does, it's going to show, it's going to break the, no, it doesn't. Okay, great. These are different sizes, which is also crappy. And then samples. Let's go to samples, which is the, what is the images for samples? Examples is the house with the truck. That's this one, right? Yes. Underscore painting samples. Okay, great. So now the last one, we just have to take edit. We're going to go to posts. We're going to say edit. We're going to call this samples. Samples. We're going to change this to be samples. Get rid of that. Remove. Set. Upload. Set. Set. Publish. Copy. V. Update. And that should be that. This should now have all of that copy and content. It took way longer than it should have for that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to, that's the last thing that we've got. I've got 12 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the biggest step and go to menus. That's good. Yes, I got it. I know. We're going to say create a new menu. We're going to call it Pepiote menu. Great. We're creating a new menu. We're going to say view all posts. We're going to say add a menu, view all pages. We're going to say home, add to menu. There we go. And we're going to say display location primary, save. What does the menu on our current site say? Beautiful. Menu on our current site says services, testimonials, examples. Okay, so we're going to do that here. Save. Save. Perfect. All right. Visit site. We should have the navigation at the top. Thank you. Boom, boom, boom. Services or whatever. That's perfect. And then we say footer. We did the menu, so now we're going to do widgets. Yep, I got it. So the sidebar, I don't want the sidebar, I want the footer area 1 should say remove, 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 and I'm going to say okay, footer area 2. And footer area 3 is going to be social. Thank you. Okay, that's done. Update, and then we're going to go into customize the theme once that's done. And we're going to change the footer to 3. Yep, widgets, cancel. Thank you. Publish. And then we got one more thing to do, and that's to change the title of this page. Okay, get out of here. I'm going to copy that. Great. Visit site. And this is the last thing. I've got 7 minutes. Okay, it should be at the bottom. It should be forking. Great. That does not look optimal. Facebook, why are these weird? That's very strange. Okay. What am I doing here? That's what I was doing. That's under widgets. Widgets. I don't understand why that's doing that. For area 1. Let's see. All right, and we're going to get rid of this and see how that works. Boom. I am sorry that this is taking forever. It should not, and this is going to probably still be weird. Oh, you suck. You're terrible. Why am I not getting this right? That's what I want. Let's see what that looks like. That should look better. I don't know why I... Oh my god, you look terrible. What is it? Okay. Heading. Oh. Mm-hmm. Great. Okay, I got 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and I still have one more thing to do. Mailing address, great, perfect. We're going to figure that out here momentarily. Delete. Come on, last one. Great. That's right. Mm-hmm. All right. And then the last thing we have to do is change this top part here. Apparent, customize, header format, great, perfect. Primary menu bar, menu height, max logo height, good. That's one, and then back there, thank you. First, perfect. Site icon, it'll be this one. Select, crop, publish, and that's that. With 1 minute left to go, we're done. So let's go home. I think that's that, right? I think we just did that. We're done? Done. Oh, thank God. So let's go to Bower Graphics, but it is... That's good enough. The bottom's going to be fine. That's fine. I don't know why that's out like that, but we'll figure that out later. Services, we'll jump to services page, correct? Yes, it will. Painting. Okay. Perfect. That's done. All right, so in just about an hour and a half, we got our site migrated over into this, and then we would change the DNS entries. Right now, this is rough around the edges, but in a pinch, we can get somebody migrated over relatively quickly into a brand new site with a brand new instance. Anyways, that's that. hopefully anybody, I don't know who's watching this, but God bless you for putting up with this. The last half an hour of this has been a nightmare. Appreciate the time. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back with how we publish this probably in the next, how about tomorrow? Thanks. Bye.